How to customize a carbide milling cutter. We need to know the customer's machining requirements, including workpiece material, machining method, machining depth, dimensional accuracy, surface roughness, etc. This information helps determine the tool's required material, cutting edge shape, number of flutes, tooth form, cutting angles, clearance parameters, etc. It also considers how to improve cutting efficiency, reduce cutting forces, and minimize cutting heat to make the tool more effective during machining.